Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the correct answer to replace each underlined part. The madman was said to have gone through a difficult time during the Japanese occupation. Which word replaces the word mad? The correct option is B. Insane. Question 2. Please do not tell me any more ghost stories. They are so horrifying, said Billy. The correct option is A. Frightening. Question 3. This vase is special as well as the only one left in the world, said the shopkeeper. The correct option is B. Unique. Question 4. There are just stories. They are not real, so don't be afraid. The correct option is A. Fiction. Question 5. It is strange that the old man is able to appear whenever he is needed. The correct option is B. Queer. Question 6. Mr. Peter seems to be able to predict what will happen in the future. The correct option is B. Foretell. Question 7. The fear that she suffered from the incident is still with her. The correct option is A. Terror. Question 8. The courageous soldier did the brave act of killing the tiger. The correct option is C. Bold. Question 9. The police asked about the sudden disappearance of the car. The correct option is B. Inquired. Question 10. You need to be orderly in the way you do your things. The correct option is A. Organized. Question 11. Fill in the blank with the correct word. It was wrong of Daniel to dash Matthew's money and run off. The correct option is B. Grab. It was wrong of Daniel to grab Matthew's money and run off. Question 12. The girls went to dash their ears so they can put on beautiful earrings. The correct option is B. Pierce. The girls went to pierce their ears so they can put on beautiful earrings. Question 13. You must never break down that dash as it supports the building. The correct option is C. Pillar. You must never break down that pillar as it supports the building. Question 14. He can eat 10 apples within 10 minutes. It is really dash. The correct option is C. Unbelievable. Question 15. The dash man tried to poison the village's water supply. The correct option is C. Wicked. Question 16. The man was finally found dash of first degree murder. The correct option is A. Guilty. Question 17. I am always very dash of the dark because it reminds me of ghosts. The correct option is A. Fearful. Question 18. Can this be an dash of a bad future for the village? Asked the chief. The correct option is A. Omen. Question 19. Although the water appears very dash, the current underneath is strong. The correct option is C. Calm. Question 20. Why are you so dash? There is nothing to be afraid of, said Sarah. The correct option is C. Timid. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.